been a bad bitch, Kakiana, and I'm still winning Pakiana. Percocets, Papiana, killing everybody beat. Thank you, next, Ariana.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's TheBlackBrat here with another video. If you guys are new, go hit the subscribe button ASAP. A-freaking-sap. So today, I'm doing the getting my face done by the worst makeup artist in Atlanta. I do not, if you're new, I do not drive, so this makeup artist is, you know, coming to me, and of course it's gonna be $10 more. So I DM'd this oh shit, my phone at 1%. Oh, I can't even show y'all. I was about to show y'all, but my phone is at 1%. Yeah, 1%. But yeah, this makeup artist, focus. But this makeup artist is coming to my house to do my makeup. Hopefully it's not gonna be no problem, because every time I watch these videos they be arguing, and I hope I don't argue with this lady in my house because I'm really gonna hurt you. But this lady's gonna come to my house. She's gonna do my makeup. It's 1. Oh shit, I said it's 1. It's 5:16. She said she's coming at 6:30. So yeah, we about to see how this go. Hopefully my face is not as bad as these other people, because she's charging me $45 plus $10 for a traveling fee. So that's $55. That's not nothing to play with. So yeah, we're gonna see how this video goes. I still have 1 hour and 30 minutes. Yeah, it's 5:16. I still have 1 hour and 30 minutes till she comes. And I just want to make this intro real fast. I'm about to post a video on my channel. That's why I'm really comfortable right here. But I'm about to get in the shower. I'm about to get ready. And then she should be here by the time I get out the shower and get my life together. So you guys, I look such a mess. Oh my gosh. So the lady said she's 20 minutes away. And she was like, do you have a ring light? Because I forgot mine. Like, first of all, that's already unprofessionalism. Got a ring light, and I'm doing that chair, and I guess she's gonna put her stuff right there. And we're just gonna see how this is gonna work. It's kind of like funny, because I hope I don't laugh at her. Let me see right here, because I hope I don't laugh at this lady while she's doing my face. Yeah, this is about to be so funny. My face is so dry, so hopefully she put. Now I'm about to do it myself. I think every time I get out of the shower, my face looks dry as hell. So I'm about to just make sure my just. So guys, it's 6 o'clock. The lady's out. She's in the living room right now. I'm putting Vaseline on my face. Yo, this lady is so fucking funny looking. But she just set up everything, and I'm about to put Vaseline on my face. Damn, so much Vaseline. Never mind, I'm gonna be obvious, because obviously this is a camera. She gonna know. But yeah, I'm about to get in there, and I'm about to. Yeah, I already. Oh my god, this is about to be so like. Okay.
Hello.
Hi.
I'm gonna start off with putting some. Wow, this is hard, but it's good. Oh no. Oh. Sorry.
And I want like a black eyeshadow look.
Okay. Been doing this for over some years now. So.
Okay. I was watching a funny movie earlier. It's just stuck on my mind.
Oh, okay.
So do you not see the fact this lady just rubbed the freaking, I know some people do this with their foundation, but she literally rubbed the foundation in her hand and just started blending it on my face. And mind you, that's not my skin color. Do she not see that?
Let's see here.
Y'all, I was trying my hardest not to laugh, but bro, she just looked so dumb.
Oh, looking gorgeous already.
I have a date later.
Oh, okay.
This is my color?
Yes.
Okay.
As we go in, this takes time. Beauty takes time. Okay. Yeah. Alrighty.
I use that too.
Cool. This is awesome. Okay.
I'm not even gonna lie. I really thought she was playing with me. Because watch where she puts the concealer at. Just freaking watch. Like, this is so fucking frustrating. Just watch. Just watch. Just watch.
Okay. Okay.
Is that clean?
Yes, yes, yes.
Looks kind of stained, I guess.
Oh, no. Is everything gonna be alright? You wanna look like Beyonce?
A little darker than her, though.
Oh, okay. We're gonna get there.
Okay.
Alrighty.
Where are you from?
I'm from New Orleans. I've been doing this for many years.
Oh, okay.
Just listen to this lady's sound effects. She knows she is fucking up. Like, every time she makes a sound effect, she knows she's messing up. Y'all, I'm just over this.
And what does this do?
It helps with the rest of the other colors,
to make it
in.
look like my color?
Yes, yes. It's gonna get there.
Okay.
Gut, and my heart is telling me that I just like did this too fast and I didn't know what I was doing.
Black on the, and then I want the gold.
Okay. Alrighty.
Close my eyes.
Close your eyes. Let's put it right there. I see these young girls, they love it like this.
I like it on the eyes too.
Oh, okay.
The foolery. The fucking foolery.
Alrighty.
Are we gonna blend the face in some more?
Okay, you want to blend it in some more?
Yeah, I don't want to look like Kim Kardashian.
All right.
I want to like Beyonce.
Okay. Okay, let me just go put some more foundation in.
Yeah, just try not to drip on my mom's carpet.
Okay.
Because it got darker, right? Too
Yes.
dark? Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you. Alright, let me just blend it in now. Okay, let me give you some more eyeshadow. Oh, you look so gorgeous. Thanks. You want a cut piece or something? Yeah.
She's gonna be so shook.
Yeah. All right. Beautiful, beautiful. Now I'm gonna put some lip gloss on. Oh, let me see.
Okay.
Always need this.
Purple.
Yeah. This is the hot
Are you
nude
supposed
color.
to put that? Did you wash that? It's new?
Yes.
Oh.
It's new.
Makes me. It better not be a fucking bump on my lip because if I. You didn't hear that pause she just made? She gave a long ass pause. Somebody's playing sleep.
Okay. Now I'm gonna put some more
Highlight? Oh yeah, you forgot the highlight thing.
Yeah, highlights. Please don't tell me my job. I know what I'm doing. Thank you.
Is she serious? Is she serious?
Please put the camera down.
Okay. My eyes open, closed.
Oh, open. And smile, please. Thank you.
Can I see the picture?
Oh, beautiful.
Oh wow, I look. Okay. Here you go. How much do I owe you?
Boy, $150. Oh, it's so funny.
I thought we said 45. Are you joking?
I could give you a discount, $90, but yeah, 90. That's the
Where'd you
lowest.
get 90 from? I thought we discussed 50.
So here's where it got crazy, you guys. So the lady I DM'd, she has a team of makeup artists. It's just like a brand of her page, but she has a team of makeup artists. So I guess I was talking to the brand lady, and I guess she didn't tell her artist that was coming to my house that she was the price that I was giving. Because it was originally supposed to be 55, but I was like, what the fuck? 45. I'm about to show her the DMs and everything. But y'all, that, like I said earlier, like the lady I was looking at was in my face. She seemed older than the lady that was in charge of the page. So I was really like, y'all, she had explained it, but y'all gonna see.
50 is too low. This is not the local mall. I'm a professional.
So, $90?
$90, ma'am.
Hold on 1 second. I'm gonna go upstairs to go get the money.
Okay.
You guys, I don't know what to do. Okay. So the lady that I freaking DM'd, she was an older lady, but she was not the same. I don't know if I'm tweaking or not, but like, she did my makeup in like 10 minutes. Usually when I get my makeup done, they take like a whole 35 minutes to an hour. I'm not giving this weirdo freaking $190. Because I don't know what to do, because first of all, this shit looks like shit. She's not getting nothing but... You got... God. Okay, this is really stressful because I'm not really good. Okay, my foundation doesn't look that bad. It looks like bad in the camera, but it doesn't look that bad. Because I'm stressing over this eyeshadow look. Okay, the lip is not bad. It's matte. If she had like use some lip liner, it'd be better. My foundation. It doesn't look that bad. She blended it in something. Yeah, my heart is beating because I'm gonna have to argue with this lady. Oh my god. I'm like one of these damn Egyptian people. From the freaking... This freaking lipstick is not that bad now. Excuse me, ma'am. Tony, where does lady go? She went to the bathroom. Y'all, she tried to charge me $25 extra for these lashes. Do y'all see these fucking lashes? I'm not making her. She's not about to endanger my damn eyeballs for this shit. Tell me how my face look. I'm breaking out. I don't know what to do.
Since you are a college student, I will take 40 for this time, but I wouldn't. Please do not ever come back to me.
Oh, I won't. Here.
Thank you.
So you guys, the lady just left and I was not gonna pay 90. First, I feel like I was talking to another lady because this is not the same lady that came. Like I was texting on Instagram. Like I was, oh, the lady's about to leave right now, y'all. I don't want to show her car, but y'all, so yeah. You guys, I was not gonna, okay, $40 is not that much because I could work with the foundation. It is this eyeshadow look, like, bruh, I know this lady is not serious. Well, she was an older lady. I don't know what to do. But, hope y'all saw that. Scotty! You about to go crazy? But she left me her lipstick. So I guess I am the first one to use it. I asked her, can I have it? It was cool when she was ready to leave, but y'all, this lipstick's kind of cute. Hope you guys get this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the BlackBrat here. Hope you guys subscribe to the channel. Give this video a big thumbs up and hit that bell to be notified when I post new videos. You guys, my face is, I don't know if that's breaking out because of me or if she made my face break out. That highlight did nothing to my face and my nose. I'm taking my picture.
I don't want you on my page, Blackiana. Flow tailor-made like Tiana. They copying my style, Capiana.